Our story begins more than 110 years ago, in 1909, when Don Gregorio Ochoa Carvajal decided to create Industrial Ochoa, a family business that has managed to transmit his passion for work, innovation, and effort through the different generations, being Don Fernando Ochoa, his son, who drives the growth by taking over a company that has become a reference in the metalworking industry. The trust you've placed in us for more than 11 decades has been our motivation to evolve and become leaders in the industry, reaching more than 38 countries around the world. Our commitment has been spread to all the areas of the company and collaborators, allowing us to create a great family committed to provide the best equipment and solutions, distinguishing ourselves for the quality, service, and exceptional professionalism. This is why we've been accredited by the International Organization of Standardization, ISO, with the ISO 9001-2015 certification in all areas of our company, recognizing us as a worldwide quality reference with the ability to meet the needs of our customers. In Industrial Ochoa, we're aware that the technology by itself is not enough. This is why we've managed to form a great team, a team certified under the highest industry standards and capable of handling the most innovative tools and equipment in the 4.0 industry. This combination of passionate professionals and technology has allowed us to carry out the most challenging projects for industries such as LPG, non-woven, and the automobile industry, improving the development of corporations all around the world, from small businesses to large multinational enterprises, which day by day continue to give us their trust to provide them end-to-end solutions. We're members of the World LPG Association, an industry in which we've promoted safety in each of the production processes, from the cylinders and tanks manufacturing to their filling, always seeking a more efficient, safe, and sustainable operation. Just in the last 3 years, we've designed, fabricated, and installed different plants for the manufacturing of portable cylinders and stationary tanks of a wide range of sizes and shapes, up to 1,000 gallons, fully compliant with the different strict code requirements, safety standards, regulations, and certifications, such as DOT, INEN, NOM, and ASME. In the non-woven textile industry, we've been an important international factor in the development of solutions, with fiber opening lines for recycling, fiber lamination lines for thermal and acoustic insulation used in the automotive and construction industries, and furnaces and presses for fiber thermoforming. In the automotive industry, we've met the greatest challenges manufacturing aluminum molds for injection of expanded polypropylene to produce car parts. Our constant actions, driven by our attitude of improvement, have allowed us to reach the most demanding manufacturing standards in the world, exceeding the expectations of the main companies in each industry, in countries such as Mexico, the United States, Turkey, Germany, and many more. We're continuously working and growing with you, motivated to take on new challenges and going beyond the demands of the industry. Industrial Ochoa, since 1909.